Fluent English practice.
Please, don't rain. Not now. Today is too important. The bus should be here in 2 minutes. I can't be late.
Ashley, good morning. You look serious.
Ethan? Why are you here? Don't you start work at 9?
I start at 8:30 today. Training for new menu items. Cool, right?
That explains the excitement.
So, what's with the folder? Planning to take over the world.
Very funny. I have my English presentation today. It has to go well.
Of course it will. You practiced for a week.
Oh no, please not now. I didn't bring an umbrella.
I think I have. Nope. Just snacks and a charger.
My presentation prints. They're getting wet.
Here, put them under my jacket. Wow, that escalated quickly. 5 seconds ago, the sky was innocent.
I have to be at school by 9. What if the bus doesn't come?
Plan B. We walk.
Walk? In this weather? My shoes will die.
I'll protect them with my jacket.
And what about you?
I shall sacrifice myself for the shoes.
This feels crazy. We should have stayed.
Nope. Forward movement is key.
Ah. My jeans are soaked.
Well, now they match the weather.
Ethan. I'm cold. My clothes are wet. My papers are safe, but I look like a disaster.
Hey, look at me. You're doing great. Rain can't stop someone like you.
You think so?
Yes. And if you forget a line, just imagine everyone in the class is also wearing wet jeans.
Thanks for the support.
Let's go inside. You need won't.
Thank you. I didn't order.
Employee privilege. Free hot chocolate for friends in emergency situations.
You're a lifesaver.
Don't forget it. Let's practice your presentation once more.
Here?
Yes. Pretend the customers are your audience. Perfect. Slow down at slide 3, though.
Noted.
Look, the rain listened to you.
Finally. Timing couldn't be better.
See, Rain was just a dramatic side character. You are the main character.
Ethan, really, thank you.
Go win that presentation, Ashley.
Ashley, you're right on time. Ready?
Yes. I'm ready. She presents confidently. She speaks clearly, makes eye contact, and uses examples. When she finishes, everyone claps.
Excellent work. Very expressive.
What a dramatic morning. I should write a book about it.
If you don't come back, I'll eat your celebration pastry myself.
I'm on my way. Don't touch it.
No promises. The pastry is staring at me.
Don't you dare. Guess what? I got top marks.
I knew it. Hot chocolate victory celebration.
Yes. And this time, it's my treat.
See, Even the universe is celebrating you. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation champion has arrived. Please clap.
Stop. You're embarrassing me.
Embarrassing. No, this is public recognition of your greatness.
You saved it.
I wanted to eat it, but I didn't. That shows loyalty.
It shows that you were afraid of me.
Also true.
Thank you for everything today. Really.
I just walked with you in the rain.
No. You protected my papers, gave me hot chocolate, listened to my practice, and you made me laugh.
Making you laugh is my superpower. And you? Your superpower is being dramatic under rain.
Excuse me? I was elegant.
You screamed when the car splash hit you.
Okay, maybe a little dramatic.
Want to take the long way?
Why the long way?
Because adventures don't happen on short paths.
Fine. But if I get tired,
I will carry you.
you would drop me in a puddle. It smells so fresh.
Rain cleans the sky, so the world can start again. My grandma says that.
Your grandma is a poet.
She's wise, and she makes great soup. Wait here. Don't move. For your notes, or your next big presentation.
It's beautiful.
It reminded me of you today, standing in rain but still smiling.
Thank you. I'll use it always. Not again. I can't do the wet cat look twice in one day.
Don't worry. This time, we have a plan.
Where did you even get that?
Backup umbrella. Never underestimate ducks.
This umbrella is too small. My hair is still in danger.
Your hair will survive. My dignity, maybe not.
You already lost your dignity when you announced me to the whole cafe.
Worth it.
Maybe rain isn't always a problem.
Sometimes rain brings people together. You're not getting on.
Not yet. I want to walk more.
Now that's the spirit.